Hello guys, once again welcome back to this channel. This is Taha from bloggersideas.com. Today I'm going to talk about best teachable alternatives, that is Zenler versus Teachable, and I'm going to do a detailed review on it. So let's get started. Okay, to start we'll see the drawbacks of Teachable. So in Teachable you have to give manual course enrollment. That is the worst thing that you can do, right? Just imagine somebody's paying you in the midnight and they are paying you via system, that is Razorpay or PayPal, and you cannot sit in front of your laptop and you just cannot give the force enrollment, right? So if you want to scale up your digital business, you need to work on automations. As long as the automations are not working with you, you will never able to scale up. So you have to do manual course enrollment in Teachable. It is super expensive as compared to that of other platforms. It is not great UI. There are much better ones in the market, and it is the one of the worst, I would say. There are less features as compared to any platform available online. There is also difficulty in giving course access. So in spite of giving the course access, first of all you need to create a student within the account, and then you have to email that student saying, look, these are your credentials. So this two-step process, which if you're just a single one-man army, so which will never able to do it. Yeah, there is a confusion between school and the creator. So if you're on the school, like if you're the one who is hosting videos for the other students, and then you enter separately. But if you're a student of some other school, like if you're learning from me, then you enter in a different way, and both of the things create a lot of confusion. I have experienced it myself, and it is not worth the time, right? Now let's look at some monthly and annual prices of Teachable. What are they charging and why are they charging so much? So if you want to go ahead with them, if you want unlimited courses, if you want unlimited students, you need to pay $39 per month. That's what they charge. Teachable charges you $39 per month for hosting unlimited courses and unlimited students, which is great deal, right? But the challenge is you cannot automate, and if you want to automate Teachable courses, you need to use a special tool, that is Zapier. So Zapier, that is an additional cost of a tool, and which is way more expensive, right? So first of all in $39 per month, you can only manually enroll. You have to manually send your students all the credentials. But if you are on the pro plan of Teachable, which is $99 per month, that is when automations are possible. So imagine if you pay $99 per month, you have to pay for Zapier for doing the connections, and then when you can manually enroll into your Teachable account, which is a waste of money, right? So let's see. Zapier is nothing but it is basically a platform which transfers your data from one application to another application via webhooks, via API, right? So if you want to give somebody a course access from payment gateway, then you need to use Zapier. If you want to, a successful payment happens on InstaMojo, and if you want to put them into your email database of paid members, it is possible via Zapier. And if you want to put the payment details of such successful payments details into your Google Sheets, then it is possible via Zapier. But why do you do this step? It is because you don't want to show your employees or people who work for you, and then you can create a separate sheet and they can make calls from that, and all of that is possible, right? But if you look at it, for doing all this task for 20,000 tasks, you have to pay $130 per month to Zapier. Yeah, so that is the challenge. If you want to do all this automation, you have to pay a bomb. So let's look at what happens if you want to automate monthly wise Teachable plus Zapier. Okay, so I'm showing you the costing of Teachable plus Zapier if you want to automate. If you don't want to automate, if you are okay with manually enrolling, then all you need is $39 per month on Teachable. You don't need Zapier, you don't need Pro Plan. Okay, so Teachable plus Zapier automation, if you want to go for automation monthly wise, you have to pay $229 per month. And if you want to automate for yearly, so you have to pay Teachable 2560, and you have to pay Zapier as well. So it costs you about 1,95,000 just for Teachable account, and somewhere about $1,500 for Zapier Pro. So in total you're paying somewhere about 3.5 to 4 lakh rupees. So let's say 4 lakh per annum. That is what you spend to automate the entire process, right? That is the kind of money that all you need to burn if you want to do all of this. But I have something amazing in store for you. Let's see what NewsEarner can do for you at the price that you pay. So NewsEarner is available at just $53 per month plan, and per annum you can say you're gonna go for $647 per year. Okay, if you compare right now with Teachable, you have to spend somewhere about $2560 per year. So that is the amount of money that you will spend in Teachable. So yeah, if you want to save somewhere about 2.5 lakh rupees over a year for automating and setting up your courses on particular platform, I write and give you, no other tool will give you this. So 2.5 lakh rupees per annum, you can spend this money in ad budgets, and you can get more leads, and you can just level up your game by just saving this huge amount of money. Let's face it, money saved is money earned, right? So why NewsEarner? Yeah, you can do a bulk enrollments at $53 per month plan itself. All right, so if you have 100 people, you want to ship them, just make a CSV file, make the Excel, put them up, and bulk enrollment is possible at $53 per month itself. You can do a lot of lead generation, so that is particularly tool available replaces ClickFunnels. Okay, so ClickFunnels replacement is possible here. Email marketing is also possible, which means this can replace GetResponse tool as well. Yeah, live classes are important. You guys won't believe, if you're actually getting on the annual plan of $647 per year, these guys have integration with Zoom. Okay, boom, how awesome it is. They have live classes integration with Zoom, and that is one of the bestest platform if you want to do your webinars. And they are giving right now with 300 to 500 participants. I've personally used it. I don't have to tell you how good Zoom is. It is one of the best platforms for webinars, and they are giving you for free. Now imagine you save a ton of money. I'm paying Zoom somewhere around $140 per month for hosting 500 peoples, right? So just imagine I'm paying them again $1400, somewhere about $1500 per annum for maintaining 500 members list. So you are saving that kind of money by using NewsEarner itself, and you can save on ClickFunnels, GetResponse. I have already told you, and they are still working on the beta phase, which means they are developing more and more in this. And this is an amazing platform. Also, NewsEarner is giving 40% affiliate commissions on each successful sale, whether you are in a monthly plan or you are on the pro plan, right? So that is the tier 1 commission that they give, and the tier 2 commission. So here, if I am sitting, and if the second person is Mike, and Mike is selling that course for me, so that will be tier 2 commission, that is 5% for me, and Mike will be getting 40%. So that is what affiliate marketing is. So there is a lot of money to make sure, and there is a lot of, actually you have monopoly here because nobody else is using this tool in the market. You guys are the first ones, so you can create a lot of noise, and you can actually create a lot of money with these 2 tiers. And the best part is you actually have to become their official affiliates. A lot of money to make here. Now why am I doing this? I am not doing this for affiliate income. I am actually on Teachable plan as well. I am an affiliate to Teachable. I have been there for around 3 to 4 years, so I could have use that as well. But the point is, I'm making something amazing for you guys. I have done all the hard work. I've put in a lot of hours to understand this tool, and I'm bringing it forward to you because it is saving you tons of money. Okay, so I feel it is secondary. So via this video, I want to give you a lot of information, and I'm gonna give you the tricks to save your money by applying the best automations for your website. So alright, so now you're getting so much in this tool. I will tell you more about this right now. So I'm gonna tell you the differences between Teachable and NewsEarner, and then you can click my affiliate link in the description box below, which is in the bottom, and that is when you can sign up, and I will tell you the entire process. So when we go ahead right now, so let me show you my screen and take you through the differences between New Zenler and Teachable. So here I have made an Excel sheet and put up the main bullet points of New Zenler versus Teachable Basic Plan, Teachable Pro Plan and Teachable Business Plan. We can see over here that the transaction fees for the courses is 0 for Zenler and for Teachable as well, but transaction fees for paid courses in Zenler is 0% as compared to that of Teachable charges you 5%, and Teachable is gonna charge you 5% for each subscription that they get. Well, speaking about the annual plans, you can see that the Zenler charges you about $647, while Teachable Basic plan charges you about $348, while Pro at $1,428 and Business at $2,988. And while seeing the pricing per month, we can see that New Zenler is providing at $53 per month, while Teachable Basic at $39, Teachable Pro at $119, and Teachable Business at $299. Well, speaking about the live session from Zoom, we get the complete ownership of Zoom in New Zenler, and we can host up to 300 to 500 students, while we don't get any of those plans in Teachable Basic, Pro or Business. And next we can see the email marketing is bomb, guys, and advanced email marketing is also a pretty good choice, and Zenler provides the both options but Teachable don't provide. So this is the main comparison that we should look at. Next, going down, we can see that marketing funnels are provided, and this is not provided in Teachable as well. Live webinars are provided in New Zenler. As I said, that we have live sessions, YouTube, Facebook, so that user can watch those videos, and we don't have this function in Teachable as well. Next, moving down, we have number of schools per user is okay. So what I mean by school is, let's say you have 3 friends and 3 of them are in different niches and 3 of them have different courses. You guys can get only one Zenler account and host 3 different courses, and everything will actually follow parallelly for these 3 sites, right? So the data of one site will not be merged with the data of another. It is gonna be purely different as such. So you guys get 3 schools, right? While seeing the same in Teachable Basic, Pro as well as Business, we just have one and single user. Next, moving down, we have monthly email credits of 1 lakh emails, while we don't have such in Teachable, and number of leads you can maintain is 25,000. Like if you have the users coming to you, you have many leads, you can just put them all in one Excel sheet and provide everyone with your whatever message you want, and you don't have this option available in Teachable as well. Next, we have the community section where everyone from your group can chat in one mailbox, so they don't need to create any other Facebook group or any other Telegram group. Next, we have upsells. Yes, upsells is provided in New Zenler, while in Teachable it is not provided. And you even have bulk enrollments. While speaking about the site admins, we have 10 site admins for New Zenler as compared to that of Teachable Basic has just 2, Pro has 5, and Teachable Business has 20. So compared to pricing, Zenler provides much of the features at the low cost. Next, we have webhooks and API. Guys, this is really important because nowadays this generation is of automation, and if you don't have automation, it is really slow to work on things. So this is provided by Zenler itself, and you don't have these things also in Teachable. While thinking of the student course review, we do have in Zenler, and the same is not provided by Teachable. So I would just like to tell you guys that New Zenler is really super awesome, and you can consider subscribing to New Zenler because at the price what they are giving us, what the value they are providing to us is pretty much as compared to that of Teachable. Even if you go with Teachable Business, which is charging you around $2,988, it is not acceptable at that price. And that's it. Okay guys, that was it for this video. I hope you liked this video, and I would just like to say that what Zenler gives as compared to that of Teachable is much more. And if you want to start a free trial of Zenler, please check the link in description box below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to our channel. Signing off from this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.